A ratio is a comparison of two numbers by division. The ratio of A to B is written as A to B or A divided by B, where B is not equal to 0 because you can never divide by 0. So for example, the ratio of 1 to 2 is written as 1 to 2 or 1 by 2. The ratio of 1 to 2 is a rate. So let's do an example of ratios. A turtle's average walking speed is about 3 miles per hour. Convert this speed to feet per second. Remember, anytime you hear per, that means you're going to divide by that. So we have 3 miles divided by 1 hour and we want to convert that to feet per second. Let's do the time first. Now we have to go all the way to seconds. So in 1 hour, there are 60 minutes. We are multiplying and dividing by hours, so hours cancel out. But we don't want to stop with minutes. We want to go all the way to seconds. In 1 minute, there are 60 seconds. This time, minutes have cancelled out. Now we are in seconds, but we also have to convert to feet. And in 1 mile, there are 5,280 feet. Notice now miles also cancel out in the units as they are both in the numerator and denominator. Now we have feet on top and seconds on bottom, so these are the correct units. Multiplying all the numbers, we get 15,840 by 3,600, which if we write in decimal form is equal to 4.4. This means the turtle's speed is approximately 4 feet per second. Now let's talk about a proportion. A proportion is an equation that states that two ratios are equal, such as x by 2 equals 10 by 4. Now, why do we use proportions? We use it to solve for an unknown. In this case, our unknown is x. Anytime you have a fraction equal to a fraction, you cross-multiply to solve it. So if we cross-multiply this, we're going to get 4x is equal to 10 times 2 is 20. And now to solve for x, divide both sides by 4, then we get x equals 5. So that's the solution to that proportion. Let's do an example that is more meaningful. You are riding your motorcycle. It takes 20 minutes to go 15 miles. If you continue traveling at this rate, how long will it take to go 45 miles? Now we have to set this up as ratios. 20 minutes in 15 miles, so it's 20 minutes per 15 miles. That's the same thing, the same ratio as the 45 miles. We just don't know how many minutes we've been going. Well, we set this equal to, we don't know how many minutes it takes, so it is x divided by 45 miles. To figure out how many minutes that trip takes, cross-multiply. So, 20 into 45 is 900 and that would be equal to 15x. Now, divide both the sides by 15. 15s cancel out and 900 by 15 will give you 60. And what units? Well, that's minutes. So it takes 60 minutes to travel the 45 miles.